Feel like your large pores are overtaking your face. So even though we can't physically shrink our pores, we can definitely make them look smaller. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a few skincare tips, my favorite products, as well as a really simple routine to make your pores less visible. If you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to share the one product that will prevent your pores from getting bigger. So my first tip is to reduce oil production. So when your skin produces too much oil, your pores have to expand to then accommodate that additional oil, so it makes them look even bigger. It's like filling a small balloon with air. The more you fill it, the bigger it gets. So to keep your oil production in check, you want to use niacinamide. So niacinamide prevents your oils from producing too much oil, which makes them look smaller. It also helps to reduce inflammation. It really improves your skin hydration, your barrier function, and it fades hyperpigmentation. My favorite niacinamide product is Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum. It has 60% propolis extract and 2% niacinamide, so it really controls your oil production while hydrating your skin. Plus, it leaves my skin looking super glowy. I mean, just like look at this glow, like I'm obsessed. So another skincare ingredient you can use is green tea. So green tea has these tannins that can tighten your skin and reduce the appearance of your pores. So it's packed with antioxidants that really calm down the inflammation of your skin. It also helps control your oiliness, and so your pores don't get clogged, and so it makes your pores look smaller. I love the green tea fresh toner by ISNTREE. Not only does it help control the oil production, but it also hydrates my skin while evening out my skin tone. I use this every night during my skincare routine. You can also make your own green tea mask. Put it into the refrigerator overnight, and then when you apply it to your face the next day, it feels so fresh and cooling on your skin. Hit that subscribe button to follow me for more Korean skincare tips. My next tip is to exfoliate. So you're going to use an AHA or BHA to help dissolve all of the gunk in the oil from your pores. And so by clearing them out, it'll help your pores look smaller, but it also helps smooth out your skin. That way your skin tone looks more nice and even and glowy. I recommend utilizing a BHA like salicylic acid because it'll actually penetrate into your pores and clean out all the gunk in the oil, versus an AHA like glycolic acid, lactic acid, mandelic acid that will only break away the dead skin cells on the surface of your skin. I love the Anua BHA Gentle Exfoliating Toner. It has 2% BHA, 6 types of ceranamides, hyaluronic acid, and panthenol. So it gently removes all the dead skin cells from my pores while hydrating my skin. Plus, it makes my skin feel so soft and it looks brighter after using it. If your skin is too sensitive for salicylic acid, then I recommend trying this BHA Black Power Liquid by COSRX. Made with betaine salicylate, which is a milder alternative to traditional salicylic acid, but it still dissolves all the dirt and oil from your pores, making it a great option for sensitive skin types. So my next tip is to use products that promote collagen production. So as we age, our face loses collagen, making it look less tight and less plump, which makes our pores look bigger. To increase collagen production, use vitamin C and retinoids. That way our skin stays tight, it stays plump and juicy, and it reduces the visibility of our pores. If you have acne, then I recommend using a retinoid called Adaptoline or Differin. This not only helps to build collagen, it also helps to decrease breakouts. If you're a newbie to retinol and you have dry skin, then I recommend this retinol by COSRX. It has like this oil-like texture, and it's made with squalene and vitamin E, so it's super hydrating for your skin. It reduces the chance of irritation, and it leaves you with this like amazing subtle glow. I just like love it for my skin. Like, look how glowy it is. I also recommend this resurfacing retinol serum by CeraVe. It's great for beginners. So it's developed by dermatologists and has 3 kinds of ceranamides as well as encapsulated retinol. So it slowly releases retinol throughout the day. That way it prevents irritation. And then it also is made with licorice root that helps you have this even skin tone. For vitamin C, I am obsessed with the Jumiso All Day Vitamin Pure C 5.5 serum. It's made with L-ascorbic acid as well as other ingredients that help really even out your skin tone as well as fade your dark spots. Another one of my favorites is this vitamin C by COSRX. So it's 23% L-ascorbic acid, made with vitamin E as well as hyaluronic acid. Not only does it hydrate your skin, but it also reduces chance of irritation. So I recommend this vitamin C to advanced vitamin C users because it has a higher concentration, and so it might be a little bit too irritating for those with sensitive skin. So my next tip is the deep cleanse with a cleansing oil. So you want to focus on your T-zone where your pores are larger, and so you want to massage this oil cleanser into your skin for about 2 to 3 minutes, making sure that you're getting the areas that have the largest pores. So when you're looking for an oil cleanser, look for one with jojoba oil, argan oil, or grapeseed oil, because these are non-comedogenic and they won't break you out, and they're great for sensitive skin. These oils are also rich in antioxidants, so it'll help protect your skin as well as deeply hydrate it. So think about oil being attracted to oil, and so what it does is it helps capture the oils from your pore and then bring it out to the surface to make them smaller and less visible. This is also great for removing your makeup, and so I do this every night. So after you're done rubbing that in, you want to grab some water to emulsify it to complete the process. So then you'll start to see your oil turning into a milky white color to help bring things to the surface. So one of my favorites is the Anua Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil. It has heartleaf extract, and so it's really great at gently removing blackheads as well as removing all the oil from your pores. It's great if you have acne or sensitive prone skin. Another one I reach for is the Manual Pure Cleansing Oil. It has a thicker texture, so it's great for dry skin. So it's great at removing all the dirt and oil from your skin. Plus it leaves your skin feeling super hydrated after using. My next tip is to use a clay mask. Clay acts as a magnet for dirt and oil. As it dries, it pulls out all the gunk from your skin, making your pores less visible. Plus clay mask can help tighten and make your skin look smoother, and so it makes your pores less visible. I love the ISNTREE Pore Clay Mask. It's super creamy and formulated with volcanic clusters from Jeju Island in Korea. I noticed that it helped to reduce the look of my pores, and I broke out way less often when I used this product once a week. After using it, my skin feels so soft and so smooth, and it doesn't feel stripped or irritated. So are you ready to find out what's the most effective product for preventing large pores? And the answer is sunscreen. So here's why. When your skin is damaged by the sun, it weakens the walls of your pores. These harmful UV rays degrade the collagen as well as the elastin in our skin. So sunscreen prevents your skin from being damaged and prevents your pores from getting wider and deeper over time. So it's really important to use sunscreen every day to keep your pores looking smaller. I'm obsessed with the Round Lab Birch Juice sunscreen. It has niacinamide, which is great for controlling your oil as well as helping fade your dark spots. It's also made with birch juice that can help reduce inflammation and really calm your skin. It also has hyaluronic acid, so it's super hydrating and it leaves my skin looking refreshed and dewy. I actually use this as a moisturizer during my morning routine, and so I can skip my moisturizing stuff in the morning. It's a time saver. You can see there's no white cast, so it's literally perfect. So here's a simple skincare routine you can use daily to minimize your pores. So in the morning, you're gonna cleanse with a gentle cleanser, and then you're gonna hydrate and tighten your pores with a green tea toner. Next, you're gonna apply a vitamin C serum for collagen building, then apply a niacinamide serum. Use a moisturizer to lock it all in, and then finish it off with sunscreen. At night, you're gonna use an oil cleanser, and then you're gonna double cleanse with your gentle cleanser. You're gonna hydrate and tighten your pores with green tea toner or green tea mask. Apply a retinoid product, and then possibly layer with niacinamide, and then finish off your skincare routine with a gentle moisturizer. Then 2 to 3 times per week, you're gonna use a chemical exfoliant like a BHA or salicylic acid at night after cleansing, and then use a clay mask once per week after cleansing, but make sure it's on a day where you don't exfoliate. Comment below with any questions, and then let me know what tips as well as what products you guys use to minimize the look of your pores. Just a reminder, I publish content every Sunday, so make sure you subscribe for more Korean skincare tips. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you next time.